how to enable or disable save recent screenshots in Clipboard for GBoard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on general management. From here, tap on GBoard settings. Then scroll down and tap on Clipboard. Here, tap on save recent screenshots in Clipboard. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then tap on allow all or allow limited access. Or we can switch it off. And that's it. So here we can now take a screenshot and it will be saved to the Clipboard. So if I take a screenshot here, it should be saved to Gmail, or sorry, to the GBoard Clipboard. So here in my Clipboard, there is now a screenshot that I can use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.